what's up, fam? It's Modern Day Caveman. I'm here, Silver Park. We getting ready to watch the fireworks. It's dark out. It's getting real dusk, so I don't know what this lighting is gonna be like, but we gonna find out, right? So you see, we got a man. This is crazy. I mean, Lord, I respect the dead. I just want you to know I respect the dead, man. And we ain't stepping on nobody's graves, but we are in the cemetery, and it's a clearing. And I'm gonna see if you guys can see this. This is the family. This is the family. That's my man, Little Jay. Hold on, Little Jay. That's my man, Little Jay. I don't know if y'all can see. I can't hardly see a thing. But I don't know what this camera is like. So we're going over here. We're gonna see the.
We had the perfect view from there.
So we're gonna see what kind of lighting we get.
Yeah.
You gotta hold this side.
Yeah. 4th of July every year at their house. We don't have to deal with that crowd.
For real, I know I'd want company watching fireworks.
Yeah.
We always make it into the park.
I don't know if I can see y'all, Mom.
Jay, don't take it.
Look at this circle of life.
Jay, don't take
Look.
it.
I'm trying. We're gonna see. I don't know what this quality is like. From what I'm looking at, I can't see nothing from this side. All I can see is little flashes of light.
Yeah, right. Hey, y'all see the circle of life though, right?
Yeah, exactly.
From where we're at to the youngest baby, to the grandmas, the aunts and uncles, great uncles, aunties. Don't get no better time.
Yo,
These my great nieces and nephews. Yeah.
4th of July, Alliance, Ohio.
Timmy, your children are 7th generation.
Yeah, 7th generation.
7th generation.
Wow.
Jefferson family, your mom's family.
We ain't gonna be able to make this year's family birthday then.
Well, no, I didn't go
Look
either.
at this.
I got
This is
my
all
refund.
family.
I was paid up and everything.
These kids are the 7th generation of the Jeffersons. These little ones.
Little ones on the, on the ground.
These little ones.
Bag or something we can put these old ones in, so we ain't leaving them here.
Just set them all right there on the stone and we'll take them.
Hey, little guy. How you doing?
They get real high.
you
Set them out
doing?
there in the stone until they cool off.
Hey, Jay.
And there's the JJ.
There's Jay.
Here, Jay.
Say JJ.
Jay.
Okay. I'll be back when the fireworks start.
I'll lift this for you.
And so this is gonna be a two-parter. This will be a two-parter. Y'all know what it is. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And remember, God loves you and so do I. I'll be back.